Hi guys, this is my new video on Crompton High Speed ceiling fan. It is new. I have bought it yesterday itself. I have installed it, but I have not fixed it on the ceiling. See, these are the details. Its original price is 2,265, but I bought it in 1,500 rupees. It's 1,200 mm sweep. Its power is 220 to 240 watts. It has 50 Hz AC. Here some features of the fan are written. It is not an anti-rust, it is a regular high-speed Ivory ceiling fan. These are the details how to make it. Guys, this is the blade set. I have unboxed the blades. It's 1200 mm Ivory. The fan is here. I have installed it. These are the wires. This is a shackle kit which is installed to the down rod. The wires come here. I have cut the cap because I need it. See, I have connected it. The black wire or the blue wire should be up and the red wire should be down. This is the new Crompton Ivory ceiling fan. You can see its design. It's very designer. It's plain. It is not too tall. It is very good product. You should go for it according to my advice. So guys, please comment, subscribe and like the video.